Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, it's 25th February 2019 and today I'm gonna talk about the best touring jacket, that is the Alpinestars Durango Air jacket. Well, there are three colors available, you can see on the screen. Well, as of now, many would have bought the jacket in India, but no one has reviewed this jacket in India. Well, the price of the jacket is 16,500. Well, now let's talk about the specifications of this jacket. Well, as you can see, there are two zippered pockets in the front and waterproof pockets inside the jacket for small belongings. In this jacket you can also attach your Alpinestar pants to this jacket. As you can see, there are zip over here, so you can attach there. Well, talking about the protection, it has level 2 protection which is made in Italy.